A school is raising money for sports equipment. They have found that if they raise the price of each candy bar sold, they will make more money per candy bar but will sell fewer bars in all. The profit P of n in dollars from selling candy bars, where n is the number of times the price is raised by $0.25 from the original price of $0.75, can be estimated with the model P of n is equal to negative 400n squared plus 3200n minus 4800. Find the price range the school should sell the candy bars for in order to make at least $9,600 for the sports equipment. Alright, so we want the price range. Let's see, and P of n gives the profit. So we want to make at least $9,600. So we want the profit to be, P of n, to be greater than or equal to 9,600. At least means greater than or equal to. So we have negative 400n squared plus 3,200n minus 4,800. We want that to be greater than or equal to 9,600. Let's treat that as an equation for a moment. So I'll rewrite it as equals 9,600, and I'll subtract 9,600 from both sides to get this into a more standard form. So negative 400n squared plus 3,200n minus 14,400 is equal to 0. Alright, let's factor the polynomial. It looks like I can factor out a negative 400. It appears that negative 400 is a common factor. So let's see, I'd have negative 400 times n squared minus 8n. Let's see, 14,400 divided by 400 is 36. So plus 36 is 0. Now, this does not factor any further, unfortunately. So we can say, well, negative 400 can't equal 0. So we can throw that away, but n squared minus 8n plus 36 might still equal 0. And let's apply the quadratic formula. So then n would equal 8, the opposite of negative 8, plus or minus the square root of negative 8 squared minus 4 times 1 times 36 over 2 times 1. So then n would equal 8 plus or minus the square root of 64, right? Negative 8 times negative 8 is 64, minus 4 times 36 is 144 over 2. And so that would give us 8 plus or minus the square root of, let's see, 64 minus 144 is negative 80. Alright, so we have to be careful here. Since we have the square root of a negative number, this tells us that the equation has no real solutions. And so what this means is the profit will never be equal to $9,600. The profit can never be $9,600. And so a conclusion would be there is no price range, or there is no possibility of earning a profit of at least $9,600.